Hey everyone, I have just completed the video for Hamilton's method, and this is the video for Jefferson's method of apportionment. So if you've watched the Hamilton video, you will see the exact same example. We're just going to work it with Jefferson's method instead in this case. So we have the state of Delaware with 3 counties, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and we're trying to divide 41 members between the two so that it represents their county proportions. And so just like the last example, we want to take the total population of the state, which is 897,934, and divide by the number of representatives that we're looking to divide, which is 41. We end up with the standard divisor, 21,900.82927. Step 2 and 3, same exact thing as in Hamilton's method. We want to divide our county populations by the standard divisor to find our actual quota. So if we take Kent's population, 162,310, and divide by 21,900.82927, we end up with 7.41. And we do the same for Newcastle. We get 24.58, and Sussex is 9.0017. Now, if we drop those decimals and look at our initial lower quotas, we have 7 plus 24 plus 9, which only gives us 40, and we're actually trying to apportion 41 representatives. So this is where it's different. Jefferson's method is different from Hamilton's method. We need to adjust the standard divisor. With Hamilton, we would just give that last representative to whoever has the highest decimal place. With Jefferson's method, it's a little bit more complicated, a little bit trickier. It's a guess and check method. Basically, we're going to lower that standard divisor, which was 21,900 in the last example. We want to lower that far enough that one of these quotas moves up to the next number. Usually, with Jefferson's method, it's going to be the largest population. So Newcastle is going to be the one we're looking at here. And so I tried 21,800. I tried 21,600. Neither of those worked. It left our quotas with the same initial whole number and just different decimals. It turns out that if I went all the way down to 21,500, and then what I would do here, if I guess 21,500, I recalculate the quota. So I take each one of those county populations again and divide by 21,500. You'll see that the largest population, Newcastle, moves up to 25.04. Kent and Sussex will stay 7 point something and 9 point something. And so then we just drop those and add them up. And since we've moved up to 25 for Newcastle, we end up with the 41 representatives.